Hey there, makeup enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that will define your eye makeup game. We'll be exploring the differences between cream eyeliner and liquid eyeliner. Both are go-to choices for achieving stunning eye looks, but they have distinct characteristics. If you're unsure which one to add to your makeup collection, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into this cream eyeliner versus liquid eyeliner comparison and find out which one will help you achieve that perfect wing or sultry smoky eye. Let's kick things off with an introduction to cream eyeliner. Cream eyeliner comes in a pot or compact form and has a creamy texture. It is typically applied with a brush, offering precision and control. Cream eyeliner are loved for their versatility, allowing you to create both subtle and bold eye looks. Now let's unveil the liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner comes in a small bottle with a fine-tipped applicator, offering precise and sharp lines. It usually has a fluid consistency and dries quickly to a matte or glossy finish. Liquid eyeliners are favored for their ease of application and long-lasting wear. When it comes to texture, cream eyeliner offers a creamy and blendable consistency, making it ideal for creating smudged or smoky eye looks. It is also great for those who prefer to take their time during application. On the other hand, liquid eyeliner has a fluid and smooth texture, allowing for precise and sharp lines. Its pen-like applicator provides ease of use, making it perfect for achieving winged eyeliner looks. Cream eyeliner tends to offer rich pigmentation, delivering intense color in a single stroke. Its finish can vary from matte to slightly satin depending on the product. Liquid eyeliner also provides high pigmentation, offering bold and defined lines. Its finish is usually matte, but some liquid eyeliners come with a glossy or shimmering finish. When it comes to longevity, both cream and liquid eyeliners can be long-lasting, but it depends on the formula and application. Cream eyeliners may have a slightly longer wear time and they can be more resistant to smudging, making them a good choice for those with oily eyelids. Liquid eyeliners are also designed for smudge-proof wear and can stay put throughout the day. Both cream and liquid eyeliners offer versatility in creating various eye makeup styles. Cream eyeliner can create soft and smoky looks while also allowing you to build up the intensity for a dramatic effect. Liquid eyeliner is perfect for achieving precise winged eyeliner looks, cat eyes, or sharp graphic lines. Some cream eyeliners may be water resistant, but they are generally not as waterproof as liquid eyeliners. Liquid eyeliners are often formulated to be water resistant or waterproof, making them suitable for humid or rainy conditions. However, both types of eyeliners can be removed with makeup removers or cleansing oils. Overall, cream eyeliner and liquid eyeliner each have their unique advantages. Cream eyeliner offers blendability and versatility, perfect for creating various eye looks. If you love experimenting with different eye looks and prefer a more smudged or smoky effect, cream eyeliner could be your best bet. Liquid eyeliner with its sharp lines and easy application is excellent for achieving precise and bold eye makeup styles. If you enjoy creating precise and defined lines, especially for winged eyeliner or graphic looks, liquid eyeliner might be your ideal choice. Thank you for joining us for this cream eyeliner versus liquid eyeliner comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more makeup and beauty related content. Share your favorite eyeliner in the comments below. Until next time, keep those eyes lined and stay fabulous. Goodbye!